Motion is about developing rehabilitation technology for children with neurological disorder. At Mobile Hub and Care, we focus on development of power ankle-foot orthosis.
So based on the scan that we did, we get this shape, which is the shape of the leg of a person, and we're going to utilize the actual shape of the leg of a person to create the AFO. This final design is the one that is going to the 3D printer machine. After that, we're going to get the actual AFO 3D printed.
Now that the printed cuffs just arrived, so now the only thing we still have to do before we can test it is assemble all the parts and add the actuator to the design. The motor, which actually will move the foot of the person who's wearing the PAFO during gait. And then we are ready to go and test prototype for the first time with a healthy adult.
What you see here are two gyroscope signals. One is placed on the shank of each leg, and they are used to classify the gait into the 7 standard phases. For example, initial contact, so that's where your foot hits the ground. Here is when the toe hits the ground, and here you have, for example, the point where the foot lifts off, and you see the output of this classification. And for each of these phases, we do some specific commands to the motor that actuates the foot in a different way.
When these tests are successful, we will move to healthy children and later on to CP patients.